Getting older sucks. You just don't remember things right. Previous video, I said I replaced both the tilt trim relays. Well, turns out I only replaced one. So, let's go figure this out. When we first bought the boat, the motor would go up or down, but it only would do one. And I don't remember if it was up or if it was down. So troubleshot it. Turned out there's two relays back there, and you'd think one would be for up and one would be for down. And that's sort of true, but then they're kind of interrelated too. It's an interesting design. So did my research on it. Figured out which one it was, the one that wasn't clicking, and replaced it. I thought I replaced both of them because no matter where you go, it says just replace both of them. They're about 10 bucks each. I thought I replaced both of them, but turns out I only replaced one. So here we are a year later. We're out on the lake, and in this particular case, the motor would go down, but it wouldn't go up. Now that's fine when you launch the boat, and when you're out tooling around the lake, that's fine. You get ready to recover the boat, you need to get it up, and well, I couldn't get it up. So, anyway, we made it back, no problems. First thing I did, I opened up the back. I said, I just replaced both of these. I open up the back, I look inside. One new one, one old one. So today, we're replacing both of them. Not a big job. It'll take me longer to edit this video than it does to replace these. So, come on along and let's swap out a couple relays. And here they are. Here are the two relays. One of them is new and one of them is not. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pop both of these guys out. Doesn't take much, 10 millimeter. Pop these guys off, clean them up, hit them with some dielectric grease, and put them back in, and we should be good to go. Well, they both look good. Go figure. Nothing obviously wrong with them. Contacts look good. Nothing splayed out, nothing pressed out. That one's good, that one's good, that one's good, that one's good. They all look good. No corrosion at all. So, little WD-40. Two new. Now, the bushing's already off of one, but it's not off of the other one. These are Zettlers. They're standard. These relays have been used in the automotive and marine industry forever. I should say this style, not these particular ones. A little grease on them. And there you go. These are not rocket science. I should say this project is not rocket science. This one's got the bushing on it. It's not threaded long enough. It's got these big old bolts on it, and it's not threaded long enough, and you can't, I don't have the little notch to pop these in, so I'm going to use it as a spacer. Normally I'd test it first, but this is such a simple project that even if I have to completely redo it, you know, like next year. Well, I'm gonna test it first. I have to go pull this guy off and it's fighting me. Does that whole thing pop out? Yeah, this whole bracket here pops out, so maybe I can, what's holding that in? That's, yeah, I could probably do it, but I don't want to break it. Yeah, I don't want to break it, so let me, I'm going to run up, I'm going to test up and down, pull this off, put this on, wrap it up. Had a little issue there and had to step back. I went up to test it and nothing worked. So I had to pull all these out again, and it turned out that right back here, there's these two wires. And while I was playing with these, that popped loose. So freaked me out for a bit, but we're good to go. So now I'm back to pull the bushing off the one, get it onto the new one as a spacer, put the top back on, and we're done. And here's a shot of the finished job. 2 new relays installed, greased, contacts cleaned, ready to go. Okay, quick, simple project, no big deal. If I could go back in time, I would tell myself, replace both relays. It's a no-brainer. These are not $40 each marine relays. They're $10 each relays that are used for a wide variety of products. RV, cars. Matter of fact, one of the relays I took out, the good one, said Hella on it from the lighting company. So, moral of the story, if you have a problem with your tilt trim relays, just replace them both. It's well worth it.